Hello students, today we will perform titration. It is a known solution and it is known solution. ठीक है, this strength of the solution we are knowing, that is m by 20, and we should calculate the concentration of this unknown solution. How much sodium hydroxide dissolved in the distilled water, that is you can say molarity of the sodium hydroxide you should calculate. How you should calculate? By the titrating with known solution. ठीक है, तो first we should fill this unknown solution in the burette. This is burette and this is burette stand. We should first close the tap and keep the funnel like this and maintain the volume till 50 ml. And remove the funnel after adding the solution in the burette, and now maintain the volume till 0 by opening the tab carefully. Okay, now it is 50 ml. Okay, now keep this solution carefully for further use. So this is unknown solution. We have kept this unknown solution in the burette, and this is known solution, that is standard solution. Now we will use this pipette for sucking the standard solution, and pipette have different measurement, like this is 25 ml, some are 10 ml, some are 15 ml. Okay, now this is conical flask. We should take this standard solution from the measuring flask. You should be very careful while you are sucking the oxalic acid. Okay, so we have taken 25 ml of the standard solution by this pipette. See, there is a one mark up to 25 ml, and we should take the carefully. Now you should pour this standard solution into the conical flask through the wall of the conical flask. Take every drop of the solution because it is according to volume. Okay, now this is a known solution. We are knowing the strength of the solution, and this is unknown solution. By reacting both the solution, we can calculate the strength of unknown solution, and we should keep some this indicator, that is phenolphthalein. You should know the spelling of phenolphthalein. That is PHENOLPHTHALEIN. It is very important. Now you can add 2-3 drop of the phenolphthalein in the unknown solution. What is the color of phenolphthalein in acid? That is colorless. ठीक है? But in case of base, it turns into pink. That is our also end point. Now we should add this unknown solution. First you should add drop by drop. In this there is a neutralization reaction. The base neutralize the acid and acid neutralize the base. We should shake it continuously. Okay, so drop by drop we should add it, and see the color of this titrate is light pink, and it is the correct end point. That is, if the solution color will very light pink, it means now your point is coming. So the reading will be 30.2. That is 30.2. We should write it in the copy. It is first reading. We should continue this process 3 or 4 times, and when we will get the compound reading, that is 2 readings are same, then we can calculate it. Okay, so we have done titration, and we have got the volume of NaOH. That is the main reading of what we have got, that is 30.2 ml. Okay, now let us start the calculation. For calculation, we have under standard solution of oxalic acid, that is m by 20. We have taken 1.57 gram per 250 ml. Okay, and now for calculation we have formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2. What is M1? M1 is the molarity of oxalic acid, that is 1 by 20, and V1 is volume of oxalic acid. That volume we have taken by the pipette from the measuring flask, that is 25 ml. That is 25 ml. Then next V2, that is volume of NaOH, that is unknown solution. How much reading is? That is 30.2. Now we should calculate the M2, that is molarity of NaOH. Okay? So we can use this formula to calculate the molarity of NaOH. So M1V1 divided by V2, M1 is 1 by 20 and V1 is 25 ml, that is volume of oxalic acid, divided by 30.2, that is volume of NaOH used to react with the oxalic acid. Now 25 divided by 20 into 30.2, according to this answer will come out, that is 0.04. This is the molarity of NaOH. What is the molarity of NaOH? 0.04. Now if you want to calculate the strength of NaOH, that is strength of NaOH, you can calculate this molarity, that is molarity into the molar mass of the NaOH. Molar mass of NaOH is 40. So you should multiply 0.04 into 40, then it will come out 1.6 gram per liter. It is the strength of the solution. Yani unknown solution having 1.6 gram per liter. Okay, 1.6 gram of NaOH per liter. This is the strength of solution.